Hey everyone, I hope you're well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a unique chain waterfall braid. Also, it's gonna be a complete heatless hairstyle. I'm not gonna use any hairspray, but you can definitely use to control flyaways. So without further ado, let's get started. Begin with middle parting or with side parting. Take a small section and divide it into 3 equal sections. Cross the top section under the middle section, bottom section under the middle section, and middle section between these two sections. I'm gonna hold top and bottom section with the help of my fist and the middle section with the help of my index finger and thumb. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a section and drop it through these sections. So these strands which I have just dropped, I'm gonna make my model hold it for me. Cross the top section under the middle, bottom section under the middle section between these two sections. Hold the two sections with the help of your fist and another section with the help of your thumb and index finger. Take a small section of hair and drop it through these three sections. Again, my model gonna hold it for me. Cross the top section under the middle, bottom section under the middle section between these two sections, and hold the two sections with the help of your fist and another section with the help of your thumb and index finger. Take a small section of hair, smooth it out with the help of your finger, drop it through these three sections, and again my model gonna hold it for me. Cross the top section under the middle, bottom section under the middle, and the middle section between these two sections. Hold the top and bottom section with the help of your fist and the other section with the help of your thumb and index finger. Take a small section of hair, smooth it out with the help of your comb or fingers. Take your time. Readjust the section if you need to. Drop this section through these three sections and my model will hold it for me. It is a completely heatless hairstyle because I haven't used any hot tool in this hairstyle. I haven't used anything to control flyaways, no hairspray, no serum, nothing. But if you create this hairstyle on crimped hair, it's gonna look amazing. Repeat these steps until you reach the back of the head, and I'm gonna create the same braid on the other side as well. If you're a beginner, you can create this hairstyle with side parting, so you won't have to bother about matching both sides. So you won't have to bother about matching both sides. Pancake the edge of this braid to give it some volume. At this point, I'm gonna stop adding hair because if I add more hair, this braid gonna look really weird. So I'm gonna continue normal 3 strands braid. Also, I'm adjusting the sections. I'm temporarily holding this braid with the help of TikTok pin. And I will create the same braid on the other side of camera, and I will secure both the braids with the help of rubber band. And finally, I'm pancaking the edge of this braid to give it some volume. And this is the final result, a unique chain waterfall braid. You see a lot of flyaways just because I haven't used anything to control them. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care of yourself.